warm greeting one and all. Dear friends, myself Dr. Kishore welcome you all in the today's session how to select a best aspect ratio for recording your video so that your participant will be able to view a better video. So what is video? Video is simply a series of images, and each and every image is formed by means of what? Various billions of pixels, and this pixel has been grouped under the resolution. So we will discuss all of them one by one. So first of all, we will discuss what is aspect ratio. Aspect ratio is calculated on the basis of what? The number of pixels use horizontal versus vertical count. It means when I am talking about 4:3 ratio, it means what? A 4 unit wide and 3 unit height. Now there are various forms of the aspect ratio. When we are talking about 4:3 aspect ratio, it has been used in the older technology and it looks like an almost square. Nowadays, we are using a 16:9 resolution, and which has been used in almost all the technologies, including recording for your YouTube video. And it is used what? Widescreen. Now, in the recent version, most of the TVs that comes with the ultra widescreen, which is of aspect ratio 21:9. So, what is the resolution? So, in general, a number of pixels used in a single frame to generate the image is known as what? Resolution. When I am saying my image is of size 19:20 into 1080, it means what? It has been used almost 2 billion pixels in order to generate that particular image. So we may have a HD image, full HD image, UHD image, 2K, 4K, 8K resolution images. Now some of the most common display resolutions are what? 4:3 aspect ratio. So it uses this kind of resolution in order to generate the image. So it has been used in the older TVs and computer. When I'm talking about 16:10 aspect ratio, it means it is using this kind of resolution and it has been used until the year 2010. And now currently we are using what? 16:9 aspect ratio in order to record any video, and it may use this kind of resolution. Greater the resolution, better the image quality. When we are using a 4:3 aspect ratio, it looks like this. If you observe carefully, we are unable to use this particular part in a 4:3 aspect ratio, and the image is almost look like a square image. Okay, and it is little bit difficult to view the content that has been put in this particular image. So solution for this is what? Use a 16:9 aspect ratio, which has been used for recording your videos. If you observe carefully, the screen has been now widened and we are able to view the content somewhat better compared to 4:3 aspect ratio. So always use the 16:9 aspect ratio whenever you want to record your video. So now it's the time to see a practical session. So in this practical session, we are going to see how to change the aspect ratio. So first of all, we will use the default one only. So we will insert an image. Okay, and now slideshow it. So if you observe carefully, the screen has been not widened and it looks like a almost square. Though it is a 4:3, it looks like a somewhat square only, and the content that has been written is not that much of visible. So how to widen this? So that is what we are going to discuss. So first of all, it means we need to change what? The aspect ratio. So how to change this aspect ratio? So for that purpose, select design option, then page setup. From here, what? Slide size 4. So by default, like I said, it is what? 4:3 only. So change it. You may select 16:10 or 16:9. So we will use here 16:9 in order to record our video. Click OK button and now see the effect. Now if you observe carefully, the screen has been widened and we will be able to view the content in a much more better manner. It means the visuality has been improved. So always use the 16:9 aspect ratio whenever you want to record your video or whenever you want to upload video for YouTube, so that participant will get a better view of your image. I hope that you understood all the basic steps. So with that, thank you very much.